Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
We've got not just one, but two Oppo Find X9 devices this time. Let's start off by unboxing the standard version first. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Now, let's dive into the unboxing. This one here is the double white variant, and it comes with 12 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage. Just pull this little tab to open it up. Inside, there's a smaller box. That's where Oppo includes the manuals and a small gift pack. You also get a soft TPU case, which actually has a nice texture on the inside. It feels pretty good in the hand. You can spot the subtle white Oppo logo printed right there. No color, just a clean embossed finish. All right, now underneath that, we've got the phone itself. Let's check out how this double white version looks in person. Wow. Take a look at that. Isn't it elegant? You get a compact flat display with sharp right angle edges, a completely flat front and back design. The Oppo logo on the back has a glossy finish, while the rest of the panel has this smooth AG matte texture. But interestingly, it's not your usual frosted glass feel. It's finer, almost like a polished glossy glass. That texture really stands out. Up here in the camera module, we've got 4 lenses. If I'm guessing right, there's the main camera, telephoto, ultra wide, and what looks like the Danxia Original Color lens. There's also a dual tone flash, and of course the Hasselblad branding. This model includes an operation button, but no dedicated camera shutter key. And I've got to say, the craftsmanship on this phone feels top notch. You can really tell Oppo paid attention to the details. Check out the antenna lines. They're perfectly symmetrical on both sides around each button and opening. Like here, next to the power button, you've got 2 antenna strips evenly placed above and below it. Same with the volume buttons, symmetry everywhere. Even the bottom, around the USB-C port, is laid out cleanly and balanced. The top portion follows that same precise design language. Everything lines up beautifully. Now take a closer look at the camera bump. It has this slightly curved bottom edge, and the glass around it gives a subtle, layered effect. There's a silver frosted ring surrounding the module, which looks premium and blends nicely with the overall design. All right, let's power it on while we check out what else comes in the box. Inside, you'll find an 80-watt Super VOOC fast charger with a Type-A port, a matching Type-A to Type-C cable, and of course, the SIM ejector tool. Now back to the phone. Those bezels are seriously impressive. All 4 sides are equally thin, and physically, the frame feels compact and well-balanced. Since this is the white model, the silver edges make the display look even cleaner, reducing the visual black borders. The overall screen experience is fantastic. This one features a 6.59-inch display, not too big, not too small. For comparison, the Pro version is slightly larger at 6.78 inches. So yeah, it's definitely not a tiny phone like the iPhone 17 Pro. It's got a solid screen size that feels just right. Okay, time to unbox the Pro version of the Oppo Find X9. Let's get this open. I've got the Light Chaser Red variant here, packing 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage. And right here, on the box, it says "The Secret Written by God." Pretty bold, right? Now, both the Find X9 and Find X9 Pro are powered by MediaTek's new flagship chip, the Dimensity 9500, a serious powerhouse for performance. All right, opening it up, wow, that red is striking. Inside, we've got the same accessories and gift pack as the standard version, and everything is drenched in this deep, bold red theme. Here's the dedicated camera shutter button. Notice it's made of TPU, and even here the Oppo logo is subtle, barely visible. It's embossed but keeps that minimal aesthetic. Gotta hand it to Oppo, their design confidence really shows. Now, let's take out the phone itself, and oh my god, look at that color. This metallic red finish is just gorgeous. What do you guys think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. How would you rate this shade? It's not your usual bright red, it's a darker, almost rose metallic red. When the light hits it, you can really see that metallic shimmer come alive through the glass. Just like the standard X9, this isn't regular AG frosted glass. Oppo's clearly gone for a micron-level texture here to get that fine, reflective metallic effect. It feels premium and super refined. Now, the camera setup, that's where things get exciting. You've got a large aperture periscope telephoto, plus a main sensor and an ultra-wide lens, along with the Danxia Original Color branding and the Hasselblad logo. The flash is neatly positioned to the side, and if you look closely, you can see that crater-like curve beneath the camera module. It's even more noticeable on the Pro. There's a silver ring on top that gives the whole module a polished, layered look. The shutter button isn't mechanical. It uses a pressure-sensitive linear motor, so when you press it, it gives you that realistic tactile feedback. Feels great. Now with both phones side by side, the standard X9 and the X9 Pro, you can see the differences clearly. Design-wise, Oppo skipped the big circular pie camera layout this time and went with a clean rectangular module in the top left corner. Personally, I think it looks much more refined. In terms of size, there's barely any difference. The Pro is just slightly larger, but not by much. So tell me, based on looks alone, would you pick? Let's try them with their cases on. First, the Pro. This red case really completes the look. It's bold but simple, and notice how the camera button is still easily accessible. And now, the standard white version. Once you put the case on, it looks super clean and minimal. Honestly, both look great, but if I had to choose, I'd probably go with the basic white model. As for this video, we're just focusing on the unboxing and a quick look at the design and specs. Here's what we know so far. The regular Find X9 packs a 7,025 mAh battery, while the Pro version comes with a larger 7,500 mAh. So yeah, both have massive batteries over 7,000 mAh, which is pretty impressive. We'll dive deeper into the performance, camera quality, and overall experience in our upcoming review. So make sure to subscribe and join our tech community to catch that detailed breakdown when it drops. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.